tight or just on?
Just tight it up.
I'm gonna say that's a lot of muscle. So listen, I know it's probably hard to hear, but I was not planning on vlogging it all this weekend, but we're about to do a helicopter tour along the beach. Long story short, we're in Destin, Florida. We came as a memorial trip for my mother, and we're about to get a helicopter ride. So this is gonna be like a short little video, pretty much of just the helicopter ride. So stay tuned. This feels like a small landing pad.
I would have thought it would have been bigger.
It's tiny. It's like a small half parking lot.
Hey, sorry, the last part of that, am I good to land at Alpha Taxiway?
Sorry. That's a going away gift we give out here.
My sunburn.
Yeah. Something to take home with you.
Can we take our phones out?
Yeah, now you can.
Oh!
Have you guys been in a helicopter before?
No.
Yeah. It's my first time too.
Okay, wait. Julie, Zach. Wait. My face.
All right, here we go.
Wow.
Tower, Shark 1 off the pad, looking to go westbound.
Shark 1, westbound approved.
Westbound approved, Shark.
Oh, jeez. Wait, actually? No way. I don't know.
All right, y'all, this is Henderson State Park, and they filmed the movie Jaws 2 here.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, they did.
No way.
You think I'm just spewing out lies?
I don't know.
Just making stuff up for the bit.
I do actually make stuff up, but that was not one of them.
Wow.
For you, clear to land. Altimeter 3005.
This is insane. Wow. I know. The whole trip we're like, let's see about this. Dang.
All right, watch along the beach side for sharks or dolphins, and along this reef, or not a reef, excuse me, the sandbar here in front of me.
I want to see something so bad.
I know. The whole trip we're like, let's see about this.
Well, watch along the sand here. We'll typically see sharks or definitely stingrays. Where are you guys from?
Chicago.
Chicago.
Finally got warm there.
Yeah, you get what, a week of warm, and then it's go back, head back towards the winter time.
Pretty much. No way. How can you tell if it's seaweed or if it's like?
We don't have any seaweed right now at the moment.
Okay.
There's a turtle right there. Another turtle right down below me.
No way.
Shark right there on the right. Let's look in here for a shark.
Wait, actually?
Crew 1 is at the northbound, looking for a westbound departure.
I feel like we're so close to the everything. Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
Alright, the Emerald Grand right there in front of me. Crab Island's over on the left-hand side.
Oh,
Takeoff southbound and westbound approved.
Everybody hangs out at Crab Island. It's only waist deep.
Alpha southbound is
Oh, whoa.
takeoff and westbound approved. Good one.
I feel like we're so close to the everything.
Alright, we're going to be doing a left turn here.
Okay.
Heading back out by Crab Island there. We'll still be on this side of it though. Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
oh my god. oh my god.
Oh whoa. Are those like houseboats or just regular boats?
There's patio boats, and then those round things are the tiki huts.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh whoa. Are those like houseboats or just regular boats? Oh, that's amazing. The propellers affect the waves at all, or no, we're not close enough for that?
Too high. And it doesn't affect the wave, it just will affect the top of the surface if we're hovering over it.
432 Golf Hotel, GPS 14.
Right. I want to see.
Gotta look for sea creatures.
Right. I want to see.
Okay, bird. Oh, I saw, I think a tiny shark.
Gotcha.
No way.
You turning in?
No, sir, I'm heading right for you.
Oh, I saw that.
Roger.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
There's a turtle right below you.
Where? Oh yeah! Cute little mini turtle.
Oh, I saw that. That was awesome. Oh, look at it. He's so cute. They look so little from up here. Oh my gosh, another shark. See, they do. They are out here. They look so little
Or they
from up
just,
here.
I was saying, or they just look so little.
Oh my gosh, another shark.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually crazy. Yeah.
No, he's from the airport.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, or Shark 1, we're eastbound along this beach.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right. Oh, man.
Is that how you guys monitor dangerous sea life?
Yeah, right.
No, we don't tell anybody about anything. I just pointed out to passengers that end up saying,
Amazing.
I'm not going back in there again. Only time we do is if we get like big hammerheads up close. Other than that,
Hammerheads come out here?
oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so
No way. Hammerheads come out here? No way. That was cool. See, now my dream came true. I said I want to see sea life out here and it happened.
It's hit and miss on dolphins. Early mornings and late evenings are probably the best, but with the waters rough, they're getting calmer now. When they're real calm, they come in and hang out around the boats.
Huh.
Okay, to the other side. That's so cool.
tower, Kudu 1, right base 14, crab out.
Okay, Juliana, sat.
Nice. I bet I would get par on all those ones.
Nice.
That's the Kelly Plantation Golf Course.
I bet I would get par on all those ones.
Shark one landing shirt.
Oh, I can't believe we actually saw some sharks.
Yeah!
And a turtle. The turtle looked so small, but it was probably actually big in reality.
They're big. We're 400 feet above it.
Oh my gosh, it looked like a little baby turtle. I want to see a big turtle in real life. Okay, wait, one more, you guys. Wait.
No, we're not. Never mind.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
All right, they'll come get your doors.
Okay.
We'll get you out of here. Thanks
Thank
for going
you
with
so
me, guys.
much. Thank you.
Wait, Zachary.
That's amazing. How long have you been doing this for real?
Oh, shit.
I've been flying helicopters for 6 years.
Okay.
Been working for this company for 2.5.
Okay, amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's amazing.
I'll take your headset.
Oh, that might be helpful. Oh, it's way louder than I thought.
Am I good to go? Just go right to the girl. We saw a shark and a turtle. Oh, multiple sharks. Wow. I am like a pit of sweat. My armpits are like, ah!